In the tourism and hospitality industry, many businesses work together, like hotels and travel agencies. To make sure everyone knows their responsibilities and rights, they use contracts. A contract is a legal agreement that protects both sides. So today I'll show you a simple example of how a contract is used, from signing to solving a problem. Let's begin.
Good morning, Ms. Maxi. For the group of 15 guests, we can offer 2,000 per night. Breakfast is included. And regarding the cancellation policy, we require at least 5 days. Notice get a half refund, or otherwise only 50% will be refunded.
That sounds great. That works for our agency. Let's sign them.
Once both parties agree to the terms, they sign the contract. This makes it legally binding.
A few days before the trip, the travel agency called with a problem.
Hello? Unfortunately, the tour has been cancelled. Can we get a full refund?
I understand, ma'am, but the cancellation was made only 2 days before the booking. According to our agreement, only 50% can be refunded.
I see. Thank you for explaining. I appreciate that everything was clearly written in the contract.
This is a simple example of how contracts work in the tourism and hospitality industry. Contracts help avoid misunderstandings and solve problems in a fair, professional way. That's why knowing and respecting contracts is so important for both businesses and customers.
Know the law.
Respect the agreement.
Build trust in tourism and hospitality industry.